Okay, installing Atmosphere TV today in the laundromat. Kind of excited about this, so we will see. We got 4 of them, so I got 4 deals. I ordered it just on Monday, and it got here on Thursday. Got them for $1 on Cyber Monday. So anyhow, hopefully I can make this TV situation a little bit better with Atmosphere TV. So anyhow, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the problem is I have these things turned off, and then people could change the channel with their own remote. So I don't know. Hopefully this will keep the TVs on, and I could get them started with my cell phone and stuff. And we'll just see. We'll see how Atmosphere TV goes. So anyhow, have a good one.